Hi, welcome to Nigel Daily Car Sales. So we've got the 2018 BMW 330e. Stunning looking car. It's got a full M Performance style kit along with 20-inch alloy wheels, new tyres all round. Just a quick 360 tour today, just to give you a better idea of the car. Hopefully you can see better in person on this video the quality of the car. So a lovely shine to the paint, as you can hopefully see there. You've got the lovely gloss black M Performance kit, gloss black kidney grills there, as you can hopefully see. You've got the gloss black side blade just there underneath the skirts. And then you've got the rear spoiler as well, just there. Rear diffuser as well, which big improvement from the standard setup. It looks fantastic, really aggressive look to it. These stunning 20-inch wheels as well, diamond cut finish on them. And so new tyres all round, as you can see there from the tread. Paintwork all seems to be in immaculate order. Doesn't seem to be any scratches or dents down the side. Just one little mark there, I don't know if you can see it on the bonnet. Sort of chip that looks like it's been touched in before. Going down this side, really nice shine to the paintwork, and quite rare to get this colour in a 3 Series. There's not many 3 Series about in this colour. We've had a couple of 1 Series in the past, but not many 3 Series. It looks absolutely brilliant, doesn't it, with the wheels and the kit. It really sets it off. Let me show you inside the car. Full service history with the car. Will come with a fresh 12 months MOT. Just jump inside. I was going to say and start it then, but there you go. So you've got satellite navigation, full Bluetooth media preparation, DAB radio. Just pop over to the vehicle details, vehicle status. We should be able to get the service history up here for you. So full BMW service history right the way through. Last serviced at BMW on 40,826 miles in April this year. It's now 41,474 miles, so very recently serviced there. It's been fully checked over by our workshop, as you can imagine. Everything that comes to us gets a full inspection and an independent MOT. Interior is all absolutely immaculate, with lovely black Dakota leather. You've got these sort of white silver inlays there, pinstripe striping there, white stitching across there, gloss black inlays with a brushed aluminium finish on the edge there as well. Digital climate control, heated seats, automatic gearbox, with a fantastic 8-speed auto in these, so really good gearbox. If you've never driven one before, so smooth, so good, so sporty when you need it to be. Different driving modes, Eco, Pro, Comfort and Sport there. Front and rear parking sensors. Automatic lights, cruise control. Everything you could want, really. Let me just jump out, give you one final look at this fantastic car. I can't imagine this will hang around long. Any further details, 01270 382 321 or sales@nigeldally.co.uk. Please check out our reviews, something we're very proud of. Really do emphasise the level of customer service we go to, and it gives you a good idea of the level of car you'll get from us as well. We're very particular about what we retail and what we cherry pick to buy and sell. So yeah, something we're very proud of. As I say, any further details, do not hesitate to get in touch, and thank you ever so much for watching.